In today's video, you will meet a client who tried to get help from a podiatrist for the hard, thick, calloused skin on the tip of her big toe. You'll find out what he said during the video. This is one of my favorite, most fun clients, and you will get to see her again in a follow-up video soon. And today we're going to do lots of great toenail cleaning to free up that tight, uncomfortable feeling she is having around her toes. So stay tuned.
And a lot of times they don't even like to do no guarantee.
If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video, and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
And then if you see some white stuff, it's powder.
Okay.
Sister girl has to powder up areas.
Yeah. I understand.
And I didn't put nothing on it because I knew I was coming here.
All right, let's bend your knee. Right there. Have you had ingrown toenail surgery on this one before?
Yes.
Okay.
I had some tape on my foot. I was trying to get this. It feels rough. It's here and here.
Okay.
And this is the bunion.
Okay.
And it should be like 3 dots here.
Okay.
But yeah, that ingrown toenail, it was something else. But it looks like it's trying to come out.
Yeah. You got like a callus going on right there.
Exactly.
We'll get rid of that. So where do you live?
I live in Westland.
Oh, yeah.
Michigan, near. Well.
Thank goodness for GPS.
Oh my goodness, yes.
I'm terrible at directions. Go out of my apartment and I turn right, and I'm going and I'm going and I'm going, and I'm like, you know what? I don't think this is right, because I've been driving for 30 minutes and
yeah, I saw that road. I saw that. And then when I kept going, it looked like I was on the freeway, and I was like, okay, what? And then it was west, and then east, and what's this?
Right.
So, and then turn right at these little funny names. It slip. When you get to the slip, and okay, now stop messing with me.
Right.
So I started in my 50s, and kept going. I ended up with 3 degrees.
What did you go for?
Well, I got it.
That's amazing.
AA in business.
Nice.
And I have a BA in applied behavioral science.
Nice.
And I have a master's in organizational management.
Wow.
And
That's fabulous.
Dying to try to use some of that, but I got to the point my feet act like it don't want me to do anything, so I said, well, maybe I can find me a home job or something.
Yeah, you have to put all that education to use.
Oh man, well, I've been using it all these years. It's just I decided to get some paper for it.
Right.
You know, because at post office they have every type of job you can name except for pedicures and manicures and hairstylists, but
right.
they have every type. Oh, I appreciate it so much.
Does this hurt?
But what I'm looking at, I see that is a lot of the reason why I have so much sensation.
Right. I'm gonna file off that skin.
And that's what I kept telling him about. All that skin, and he's looking at, oh, you're all right. And I'm gonna give you this lotion or whatever. And I'm like, this stuff is not doing anything.
Sometimes you need to get rid of all of the excess hard stuff first,
Yeah.
so it can soak in and do its job.
Exactly. So you do feel it.
Oh
I
yeah.
thank you for that.
Oh
I
yeah,
do.
it's really hard.
I have one son,
Okay.
and he got married, and we had 4 children.
Aww.
Yes, and
But his dad wasn't in the picture?
no, he didn't stay. I had to do it by myself.
Aww.
But it's okay. God kept me going, so.
Yep.
And that's okay. And it was just so much expectation that I expected from him. And my son is wonderful. You know, he's a chef now.
Oh wow.
Yeah. You have children?
I have 2 sons.
Oh, okay.
Yep, 2 teenage sons.
Welcome to the club.
Yeah, they are wonderful.
And my son is 42, and I used to dress up my toenails years ago before they started doing it now. And I have a cousin that lives in Denver, Colorado, and she came. She said she couldn't believe. She said, my toenails were long. Yes, they were long, just like your fingernails.
Oh wow.
And I used to put rhinestones and different colors and pearls.
On your toes?
Yes, it's summertime, you know,
Okay,
because you wear
yeah.
sandals.
Mm-hmm.
And oh my goodness, she fell in love. She said, ever since I saw her feet, I've been wearing mine just like it.
Aw.
So, but yeah, this is back in the 70s. I had my hair dyed every color you could think of. And I tell my granddaughter that. I said, you know what, I was never hot or fast. I said, but I have. And we wore those
Oh.
as our ankle braces. Oh, we had just as many on, like you have on your arm, on our ankles.
Mm-hmm.
And the rings. And then we used to call our clothes the dumpling clothes, overshadow them. But I told him, I said, I think I'm addicted to education and learning stuff.
Accomplishments.
I'm addicted to learning stuff. You
Yeah.
know, I don't know, you know, you're going to live long enough and still ain't going to know everything.
Mm-hmm.
I said, but that is what I like. I like to learn. It's not being nosy, but
Right.
it's just, it's so fun to me.
I love it too. Yeah, I don't read books, like, I don't read fiction, I don't read love stories and all that stuff. I only read to learn.
Oh, well, I like books, but I've never really had time. So I got into audiobooks. The stories that, and then let somebody tell. Yeah.
I'm like, I gotta stop watching TV so late
as
at
well
night.
as anything else. Just going to a store, you sit up and look at people, you be like, I'm not drinking it at 7 o'clock.
Because you gotta get up too much in
Yeah,
the night.
right. have all kind of foot massagers at the house, but it's almost senseless to do it when my feet feel so tight. Even now, you'll be able to do it. Oh, yeah. That's what you was talking about.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I floss my toes too.
That's good.
I've been trying to take care of them, but it just, that extra skin is baffling.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.